Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In our previous video, we talked about 3 set problems using Venn diagram theorem, but we only solved the first 2 questions. So in today's video, we only solved the first question. In today's video, we are coming to solve the second and the third question. In the previous video, we learned how to gather information from a Venn diagram question and how to illustrate them on a Venn diagram, and we left it up to this particular extent. In our second video, which is today's video, we are coming to continue from this particular end, so that we will know how to solve questions when they are given to us, how to write down an equation in x and find x. Then if a student is choosing at random from 2, what is the probability that he plays 2 games? So these and more things are what we are coming to do today, so you follow us closely. So before you will be able to write an equation in x, what you need to do is that, you see, from our Venn diagram, the a, b and c are variables we do not know, so we have to go and find them. In finding a, we know that the whole of this circle is the same as is equal to this 86. So we add everything here and equate it to 86. So that is a plus 42 minus x plus 30 minus x plus x. That is what is here. You know the whole thing is equal to 86. Okay, doing so, we can try to cancel some things out. So this can cancel this. So if that one cancel that, this plus this will give us a 72. So a plus 72 minus x is equal to 86. So we take the rest there. So a is equal to 86 minus 72 plus x. So a is equal to what? This from this. When you even take 72 from 80, it will be left with 88 plus 6. So that is 14. So 14 plus what? X. Okay. Then we come to find b. So we will do the same thing. The whole of this circle is equal to 84. So what we do is that we add everything and multiply it to 84. So 42 plus 42 minus x plus b plus x plus 34 minus x. The whole thing is equal to 84. Okay. So x will cancel x. 46 plus 34. 42 plus 34 will give us, that will give us a 76. So 76 minus x. So b plus 76 minus x, the whole thing is equal to 84. So what we do is that we take the rest there. So b will be equal to 84 minus 76 plus x, since x will cross it to be negative. Okay, so this from this, subtracting 76 from even 80, that will give us a 4 plus 4, 8. So b will be equal to 8 plus x. Then same way we did to a and b, we did to also get c. So c plus 30 minus x plus x plus 34 minus x is equal to 94. So x cancels x. This plus this will give us a 64. So c plus 64 minus x is equal to 94. So we take x and 64 there. So c is equal to 94 minus 64 plus x. So c is equal to 30 plus x. Okay, so the next thing we do is that we are going to write down an equation in x, and hence we find x. So what we do is that in some cases, some people try to just add everything in it and equate to that. So in doing so, some do it a plus this region plus this and plus c, then they equate it to that. Others also will try to say that since the whole of this is 84, then you add 84 plus a plus 30 minus x plus c, then equate to that. Others can also choose the whole of a, that is t of n of t, that is equal to 86, plus c plus 34 minus s plus b, and equate to 174. Others can also choose the whole of c, that is 94, then plus a plus 42 minus b minus x, then plus b, and equate to what? To 174. So I will choose the whole of this one first, then that of add this and this and this to it. So if writing an equation involving x, I just make it n of t plus b plus 34 minus x plus c, the whole thing is equal to 174. Okay, I know that n of t is 86, so n of t is 86 plus, and I know that b is 8 plus x, so 8 plus x, then plus 34 minus x plus c. I know c is 30 plus x, so 30 plus x, and the whole thing is equal to what? 174. So going further, we'll get to know that this positive x will cancel this negative x. Then this plus this will give us a 42. So 42 plus 30 will give us 72. So 72 72 plus 86, then we just go to 72 plus 86, and that is 8, and this is a 15, so 158. So that is 158 plus x is equal to what? 174. So we take this one there. So now x is equal to what? 174 minus what? 158. So subtracting this from this, so 174 minus what? 158. So doing our subtraction, it can be, so we borrow, here becomes 6. Subtracting this from this, we get 6. Subtracting this from this, we get what? 1. So we get to know that our x will be equal to what? 16, and that is it. Okay, so these are many things that we do. So this is how to what? To find an equation involving x, and hence what? Find x. So that is how you go about it. So in doing so, when you are asked to solve what for the third question, what you do is that they said if a student is chosen at random from the what? From 2, what is the probability that he plays what 2 games? So when we are talking about those who play 2 games, that we are talking about both. So those who 2 games, maybe those who play tennis ball and what volleyball, those who also play football and what volleyball, those who also play what tennis ball and what football, they are the both. So what we do is that we add all these both together, then we divide it by the total. Since probability is the number of elements over the sample space, that is the total. So we add, that is 42 minus x, then 30 minus x, then 34 minus x. After adding everything, our total, then we divide it by what? 174, and that is how to find what and that is the probability of what finding, and the probability of finding a student who plays what 2 games. Okay, so these are many things we talked about today. So we plead on our behalf to always subscribe to our YouTube channels and always press on the notification bell, so that whenever we come your way, you'll be able to what to get our videos very fast. We thank you.